Hi guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this creative tiny lens glass poster design effect in Photoshop. First, right-click on your main image layer and select Duplicate Layer, then press OK. Now go to Filter Gallery. Under the Distort section, select Glass, then set the distortion to around 3, smoothness to around 3, and select the tiny lens texture. Set the scaling to around 67%. Press OK to apply the effect. Now go to Rectangle Marquee tool and add the middle divider line. Next, add a layer mask. Now open Layer Style and enable Stroke. Set the size to around 4 pixels, position it inside, and adjust the opacity to around 48%. Press OK. Now let's add some shapes design. Create a new layer, select the Rectangle tool, and choose a green or any color that matches your design. Create a small rectangle and position it where you want. Hold Alt and drag to create another copy. Press Ctrl+T, rotate it to around 90 degrees, and adjust its position. Finally, create a new layer, and use the text tool to add your title, brand name, or any other information. Make a few final adjustments to the colors, typography, spacing, and positioning. And that's it! You've created this stylish tiny lens glass poster design effect in Photoshop.